guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Crisp and Creative with me Piya Patel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make resin coasters at home. This video was requested by Pranchi Doctor. Before I begin, I have a little announcement for all of you. I am starting out shoutouts for my YouTube channel. If you want a shoutout in my next video, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment me in the comment section down below. You can even comment on any of my posts on my Pinterest account. You can find the link for that in the description box down below. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video.